Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I want to share with you one structure, and you know very well, structure is more important for beginner because if you know some structure, we will be able to make a million questions and answers by structure. So today's structure is there is something wrong with noun. Noun, you can use any noun. There is something wrong with noun. For example, আমার জার্সিতে সমস্যা হয়েছে যার জন্য আমি জার্সিটা পরতে পারতেছি না। There is something wrong with my jersey. That's why I can't wear my jersey. There is something wrong with my mobile phone. আমার মোবাইলে কিছু সমস্যা হয়েছে। আমার ক্যাপে কিছু সমস্যা হয়েছে। There is something wrong with my cap. So yeah, it's a great structure, and if you want, you can use this structure everywhere. As a beginner, I'm beginner, so I'm trying to memorize different kind of beautiful structures so that I can improve myself very confidently. Okay, so that's all the best. Assalamu alaikum. Keep learning, speak English, enjoy yourself. All the best.